got some amazing 3D scanning technology, which we just scanned you, which makes a very lifelike avatar. But then we tokenize that, we link your identity to it. We're trying to think of ways and business models for people to monetize their likeness.
So Jimmy posted his Paymail address here. So if you put a mouse over, then the payment prompt will show up. I'll send Jimmy $10. Just like that.
So to recap today's talk, I would like to announce that, Europe's largest blockchain solution is now live.
This conference, I've been learning so much about BSV blockchain for enterprise, and I find it so fascinating, and I think that's a segment that we really should focus more on in terms of coverage, because it's not all about, I get it, now we're seeing the shift from private networks to public networks.
If I'm being totally honest here, I actually overshot BSV and tried a couple of other chains, and I had to come back because they didn't do what they promised and they didn't support what we on this stage wanted to achieve. From a technical perspective, there was no other option.
We decided to move on to the BSV blockchain because it has a much better climate footprint picture or story. It is also low cost to mint, and it is, I think, a better performance story than on Ethereum.
I'm afraid to say I'm no expert. Early adopter maybe, but I just feel lucky to be on the stage with such brilliant minds. These guys are innovating, they're creating, and I'm at the edge of my seat waiting for the utilities to come about so that I can use them in my everyday life. I leave it up to them to create what's next.